paperwork? Here's both. This is driver, that's front seat passenger, this one. And then here's the phone numbers.
Phone numbers, I don't need that. That's right.
No worries.
Thank you, man. What about the reg? Insurance?
It's rental car, so he doesn't know where it is. I checked the passenger.
Of course not.
Real quick. You were coming up Claremont, right?
No, I was coming up this street right here. What street is this?
Okay, you coming which way you going? This way?
Yeah, going this way.
Okay.
So you were coming up, driving southbound,
Yeah, I was
and
going
then what happened?
And I went out. I went out, and my boy car controlled the steering wheel, and the other car came from. I don't know where that car came from.
So you got hit by a white Honda.
Yeah.
And where was the white Honda coming from?
Who comes from that way?
He was coming from Claremont?
Yeah.
Alright.
I got 3 different stories.
Go ahead,
Ah, yeah,
brother.
that's him.
Thank you.
No problem. We got him. This is gonna be the file number for the report, okay? Is that a rental or
Hey,
is that your car or that's
my
a,
dad rented.
that's your rental?
Like, my dad rented.
All right, the paper for the rental is inside.
Yeah.
Okay, no
It's in
problem.
the glove department in the armrest.
Gotcha, no problem. He got your idea, okay?
Hey, we gotta get our work stuff out of there.
She could get it out.
Right.
I told her already. Talking about us, say right?
Yeah.
All right.
Hey,
Let's go up. Ma'am,
Can you run this plate for
you
ownership?
took your stuff out?
Yeah, I took my stuff.
All right, so this is your ID. This is the file number for the report. If you wish to have a copy for yourself, want Jonah Squared, all right? You were sitting in the passenger side?
Yes,
Which way were you guys coming from?
that way. I was getting dropped off to school.
Okay. No complaining pains, no,
No, it's just like any freeze got in my throat. It's like irritating.
just the fumes.
Just
Okay, you're not going to the hospital?
Yeah, I'm gonna go to the hospital. I have to
your
go
own?
home first.
Tango,
because my
Tango.
mom was
Come back to
All right, Miss Well. All right, you good to go.